Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look was pretty random and at one point I had no idea what I was trying to do, but I think it came out pretty decent. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil for my eyebrows. I need y'all's feedback. Is it better to do the brows before foundation or after foundation? Let me know in the comments below. Next, I'm going to conceal my brows with my Juvia's Place Concealer in number 8. Like I've said in previous videos, it's good to get a concealer that's slightly lighter than your foundation to do your brows. All done, then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to blend this all out. Next, I'm going to go in with my itsmrayeraye's 15 color shadow palette by bhcosmetics, and I'll be using the colors Ambitious, Showgirl, and Canary. But before that, I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer to conceal my eyelids before applying the Canary Yellow. I've noticed that the lighter the concealer, the easier it is to apply colors like yellow, for example, on darker skin tones. And now for my base color, I'm going to apply the Canary Yellow from the itsmrayeraye palette to my lids. To make these colors brighter, it's best to pack a little extra on the eyelid. I think that Ray's Canary Yellow is by far the most pigmented yellow I've come across. Now we're going to go in with the color Ambitious for my second color. It's like a forest green color. On the yellow it looks a little more on the brighter side. I'm working on both eyes right now because at this point, like I said before, I'm not even sure what I'm doing with this look. So I just want to make sure they're equal at least. So bear with me. I'm going in with my NYX concealer to do my cut crease so I can add the shimmer color onto the lid. Now the third color is called Showgirl, and it's a lighter forest green, just to add a little shimmer to the look. And I'll be blending that in with Ambitious. For my eyeliner, my main color is going to be my Fenty Beauty liquid eyeliner in the Banana Blaze color. It's a really bright highlighter yellow. This is where my electric title came from. If I'm gonna be honest, this was really hard to put on. I hardly ever use this color because of how the consistency is, and it can get really messy. I was kind of lucky that it got on pretty smoothly this time around. So bear with me, it got on my lashes, but I worked with it as I could. I usually prefer darker liners because lighter ones don't let my eyes pop, but I wanted to be eccentric with this look, so I just kept going with it and hoped for the best. Now I'm gonna go outline it with my Almay liquid liner in the black to kind of give it just a little bit of what I would rather, you know, the darkness over the eye. And I'm gonna be using my Ardell wispies lashes, and I'll be pairing that with my Duo lash glue. When I will get used to putting lashes on, I have no idea. It's just gonna take a lot of practice and a lot of work, but I'm gonna get there. Give me a couple more videos maybe, and then, you know, it'll work out. I decided to use the clear side of the lash glue for this eye, that way I didn't get the black color over the Banana Blaze liner. The glue sticks better when you apply it to the lash line itself. I attempted applying it to the lash before with the other eye, and I didn't get the best result. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Almay Make Myself Clear in the color 900, and I'll be applying it to my face instead of on the brush. I'm not sure exactly, but I think this kind of foundation is actually good for acne treatment. So that could be a contribution to my skin being much clearer. I used it for a couple months, closer to last year. And I mean, so far, I mean, it looks really good. It goes on like skin. I recommend it. It's like, I think about maybe $12 at the grocery store. I prefer to use this foundation for my everyday looks and use the more expensive foundations for, you know, special occasions. I'm gonna use the color Moonlight for my inner eye from Rayediant's 21 color eyeshadow highlighter palette. For my contour, I'll be using Fenty Beauty's Contour and Concealer in Espresso and Suede. You guys ever wonder if you contour properly? Because you're supposed to contour to like your face, right? A lot of us just contour based on what we see other people do, which is what I've been doing. I'm just assuming it's correct. But let me know in the comments how y'all feel about that. I am blending out my contour with number 2 brush from ItsMrayeraye's bhcosmetics collection. And I'm gonna be using the number 3 brush to do under my eye and the bridge of my nose, mouth and chin. Final touches, I'll be using Milani's Make It Last setting spray to set my foundation and my eyeshadow. Highlighter time, I'll be using Rayediant from ItsMrayeraye's highlighter eyeshadow palette to slay this look. Rayediant and French Toast are my ultimate favorite highlighters from her palette. I don't know if you've noticed, but the one that was French Toast is completely empty right now, so I'm just leaving whatever is left for, you know, a special day. Gold tones are a blessing for, you know, darker skin tones. That's all I gotta say. For lips, I'm going in with my Fenty Stunna lip paint in the color Unveil. Y'all know when this one was revealed, every chocolate brown girl out there went crazy. I was kind of skeptical because I could never find a brown nude shade that actually went well with me. And this one took the cake on that one. This is a matte lipstick, so it dries really well. It takes a little while for it to come off. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And if you have any ideas for future videos, I'm all ears. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.